Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can recover your important deleted data. So if you have accidentally deleted your data from your SD card, USB drive or hard drive from any device, now you want to recover your data but you don't know how to recover it or which tool do you use that is safe and 100% works on Windows or Mac OS. So it doesn't matter if you are using Mac OS or Windows. So as you can see, here is my drive, that USB drive, and here are the file that I'm going to delete and recover in front of your eyes. So there's no scam. So here is this file. As you can see, now I have deleted all those files from my SD card. So as you can see, now my SD card is empty. Now I'm going to recover all those files that I have deleted right now. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So link will be in description. You can click on the link and go to this page. And as you can see, here is for the data recovery. So it also support Windows and Mac OS. So it doesn't matter which device you are using. You can download this tool for Mac OS or Windows, as you can see. So this can recover you the 100,000 plus file types. As you can see, recover any file types. So it support over 1000 files, recover data from any device. So this tool has high recovery rate and it's 100% safe. You can just go to this link in the description and read through the page, and you can simply click on free download and you can download this tool. So to install this tool, just open the exe that you have just downloaded in your PC. So now let me show you everything step by step, how you can install this, how you can use this. Simply click on install. I'm not going to install it because I have already installed. So once you have installed this tool on your PC, so open the tool. So now let me show you how you can recover the data that you have just deleted accidentally. So I have deleted my data. Now I'm going to recover it with this tool. Now here is the tool and here is the interface. As you can see, now you can select the location from you want to recover your data. So as you can see, here is I have external drive. So I have deleted file from this drive. Now I'm going to click on the scan option. You will get the scan option, as you can see. Now simply click on scan and select the file types. You can select all file types, then click on select scan selected file types, and it will start scanning, and it will take a few minutes to recover your data. It's fast tool, you can try out there. So just wait. So as you can see, it just took me a few seconds that my recover file or deleted file are recovered. So if I go to deleted files, as you can see, the three same file I have just recovered that I have deleted from the drive. So just wait until the process is completed 100%. So you have to wait for it. So make sure that you are also connected to internet connection if you are getting any error. So once it's 100% completed, you can select all those files you have just recovered in order to save into your PC or drive. Then click on recover, select the location. Now I'm going to select the SD card location. The same file I have deleted from SD. I'm going to recover all this file into my SD card directly from this tool. So it will take a few seconds until it recover completely into my SD card. So make sure that you guys try this tool out. I personally recommend this tool because it's great. I have recovered data from it. So just wait until this process is complete. So make sure that you go to link in the description, click on the link, and you can get this tool. So make sure that there is Christmas hot sale, 70% off. Also you can win a prize if you shop. So as you can see, you can read through the page, right? So now just go to see if our data is recovered. So now as you can see, my data is recovered and it's into my SD card. Here we go. Here are the same file that we have just deleted and recovered. So let me close the folder and let me open it again. So here we have the SD card. So if I open, go to the folder, we will get the same file that we have just deleted and recovered. Here we go. So as you can see, you can read through it. You can go back to the video and see the file are same. So make sure that you try this tool out. Also, you can go back to the home screen if you want to delete any data from the computer. You can just simply press on the scan button and it will start scanning. Take few minutes and recover your all deleted data into your PC. So hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching.